I'm going to the beach, so let's make some drinks. Bacardi Gold. Is that what it's called? Oh, fuck. I haven't even had a drink yet. 2 ounces. And a splash because I spilled everywhere. We're off to a great start. Hand sanitizer with a splash of sunscreen. By the way, I'm showing you 2 different drinks. This one is super easy and the second one is like a level up. Then you need Pina Colada Liquid IV. Mix it with water. Fill it up. Not all the way. Save some room. Fresh pineapple. Not fresh. You fucking liar. Pure pineapple juice. This is basically a hydrating pina colada on ice. It is my go-to beach drink. Okay, so this next one is, oh fuck. I just want to go to the beach. This next one is my version of a painkiller, so you will need Pussers Rum. I do 3 ounces because I am not a baby. Just like with the last drink, I do the Pina Colada Liquid IV, 3 ounces. Oh, it smells strong is what it smells like. Also, this is not sponsored by Liquid IV, but I am an affiliate, so if you want to save 25% and get free shipping, you can use code CHEFSUMMERSTORM. And if you do, you'll be supporting your girl, so thank you so much. Pure orange juice, I do 1 ounce. Pure pineapple juice. Real gourmet cream of coconut. This stuff specifically, okay? Ooh, I do 1 ounce. I should call him. And I add like 5 ice cubes. Strain fresh nutmeg on top. It's so good. Time to go to the beach.